Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to block all incoming calls on your iPhone. So for that you have to go to the settings, and from here you have to go to the focus. Go to focus and turn your do not disturb mode on and add a schedule, add timer, location, and now your do not disturb is turned on, so no one can call you. So yeah, your do not disturb is turned on. So if you turn this on, your incoming calls will be blocked. So yeah, this is how you can block your incoming calls on your iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.